Thank you, viewers. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's math class, we have Olympiad Mathematics Question to solve. If x to the power of x power 4 is equal to 64, then what is the value of x? Let us solve this. We are given by solution x to the power of x to the power of 4 equal to 64. To begin this question, what I will do is that I want to multiply both sides by power 4. I want to multiply both sides by power 4. And that means I shall be having x to the power of x to the power of 4, then multiply by 4 equal to 64 to power 4. Very good. Now, looking at this, look at this rule, the product law of indices. If you are given x to power p or to power q, we apply the product law, and this is equal to x to power pq. Also, it is equal to x to the power of q, then power p, okay, which is equal to also x to the power of q p. Now, these four expressions are equal, meaning that x to the power of pq is equal to x to the power of qp. Also, x to the power of p, then to the power of q, is the same thing as x to the power of q, then to the power of p. They are all equal. I can apply this knowledge to the left hand side, meaning x to the power of x to the power of 4 all to the power of 4 can be written as, that is, my x to the power of x to the power of 4, then multiplying power 4, can be written as, just as what I have here, my power of x to the power 4 is my p, whereas my q is 4. But I interchanged it here, so I can now write it as x to the power of 4 or to the power of x to the power of 4. What does that mean? If from here that my p is x to the power of 4 and my q is 4, it is equal to my x to the power of q then to the power of p, which means I can move my q inside the bracket and my p outside the bracket, as you can see here. Therefore, my q, which is this outside the bracket, is now inside the bracket here. Therefore, my 4 is my q coming into the bracket, and my p, which is x to the power of 4, going to outside the bracket. That both of them are equal. So by that, I can now write here x, hope we are understanding it, to the power of 4, then or to the power of x to the power of 4, equal to 64 to the power of 4. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Now, looking at this, I can now write from my right hand side that x to the power of 4 or to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to my 64 can be written as 8 to the power of 2 or to the power of 4. Very good. Now, from what I have, you can see that this is still the same thing as P multiplying Q. P multiplying Q from the expression that we have given. So, this implies that I shall have x to the power of 4 into x to the power of 4, then equal to 2 times 4 will now give me 8, then to the power of 8. Look at this now very well. You will now see that I have here x to the power of 4, and I have also x to the power of 4. Now, my x to the power of 4 is equal to what I have in the bracket by the right hand side, which is 8. And my power of x to the power of 4 is also equal to the power of my 8. Meaning that this is equal to this and this is equal to this. We can now conclude that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. Take it from the power side, x to the power of 4 is also equal to 8. The same. In conclusion, I can now say x to the power of 4 multiplied by 1 over 4 is equal to 8 to the power of 1 over 4. This cancels this, my x becomes 8 to the power of 1 over 4, which can now be written as x equal to the 4th root of 8. Final answer. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Give thumbs up and write your comments in the comment section, and trust me, I will reply you. God bless you.
Na mbụ, agwara m mmadụ sị